This is Gabe's first taste of string beans. Nummy. You want some more? Whoopsies. Do you like it? Do you want more string beans? Yeah? Do you want more? Do you like string beans? He likes them. Yum. You're wearing them. Yeah. You want some cereal now? I want some string beans. Check it out. Ooh, you are doing good with the string beans. Nummy? What do you think about string beans, Gabe? Here's the spoon over here. Yeah?